Hello, this is your boy Miguel from the Mobile Mechanic 757. I get down, I get straight to the point. I'm getting ready to go on vacation, and I just want to touch bases with those out there who want to start their own business. I do consultations one-on-one. That information will be in the description. I also sell documents. A lot of the mobile mechanics are having issues with people paying them um, prepaid payments, warranty claims, chargebacks, all that stuff in their business. And I actually sell the documents that are Microsoft editing, and you can actually literally buy it from my company, and you can just change it the way you want to, that whatever your state regulations are, you change the name of the business and all that stuff. And on mine, I actually have my customers to sign each one, and at the end of the page they sign and date, and also the last page, it has the mechanic lien on it. So just in case you have to call the police and you have their key in their hand, they already gave you permission to hold their key until you make payments. It talks about prepayment arrangements or payment arrangements, which we don't do in any shape or way. Threats to our associates, our diagnostic. If you want us to do a diagnostic and you tell us the fuel pump and we put it in, you still owe us the money. If it doesn't work, that was your diagnostic, not us. If you have permission on the property for us to work on, because one of the craziest things I hate is to work on a property and then next thing you know, I got to get off the property because you don't have permission for us to work on it, like hotels, apartment complexes, some places are, or HOA places, they are very strict. So make sure you get the permissions. And this is the the policies, warranties, requirements, and disclaimers. And this is for sale. We have one to make extra money. All you have to do is do pre-purchase inspections, and we have a document for the customers. And if you have to go with the customer to a dealership, you can tell them the fees that are good and not good. Pre-purchase used car inspections are another way you can make money if you don't want to crank wrenches all day. For private users, the questions that you will have, you will go through. All this stuff is it can be sold. It goes from the interior to the exterior. You're checking the car top from bottom. You're also going to be doing the mechanical aspect of it, the computer aspect, which is the diagnostic of the pre-purchase used car inspections, and you can't go wrong. And you can also edit all this stuff and put your business name on it. It's very impressive to the customers. I've been doing this over 30 years in the military and on the outside, and I'm heading towards New York to set up some shop, and I'm going to go to other states. I'm going to be setting up shop in other places, branching off. Air condition cheat sheets. If you want to do advertisements, this is a Craigslist advertisement, and on the very back of it, which makes it very popular, we have the SEOs. A lot of people do not know about the SEOs, which is the optimization. So when somebody's typing blah 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 near you, you will come up. And also you can just change everything yourself and just change a few words around. And we've been using the same ad for years. And a lot of people, we are the first ones that come up on Google results. This is a Craigslist one. We also have fuel trim. Lets you know what it means. It also lets you know what exactly, if it's lean or if it's rich, what that means, what to look for. Diagnosing fuel problems. This is a cheat sheet. This is stuff that you can buy, so you don't be having to scratch your head out. This one about ignitions and misfires, looking at spark plugs, what the spark plugs actually telling you, what the misfires actually telling you. Some of the scenarios of why it's misfiring and what to look for. This is another cheat sheet. I've been making a lot of mistakes all these years. Now I have it down to a science, and I just want to pass on the information to you, because without these documents, your business is just going to be going up and down like a roller coaster. That's not what I'm here to show you. This is very important. Automotive release of liability. Customer wants you to change the brakes, but the rotor is very dangerous, or they're leaking brake fluid and they don't want to fix it. You get this, and also this can be changed through your business name, through Microsoft Word. And this is extremely important due to the fact that if something will happen to the customer, God forbid, you are protected. You told them not to do it. And also your invoices, you put the information of, you know, don't drive the car, it needs that, and get their signature on it. Another one is it's AC season right now. It has the pressure charts for the new Freon and the 134A. It gives you different scenarios to, and it's thick. Different scenarios if your gauges are saying different things, like your expansion valve, what is the symptoms, if it's hot and cold back and forth and you know the compressor's working. This will save you a lot of time, and from scratching your head, your gauges, your high and low will tell you a lot of information, and this is a complete cheat sheet, and this is also for sale. I have another one. This one is about where we go. All of the stuff that I have is about 9 documents altogether. I don't want to keep going on in the video, and it could be also seen in the mobilemechanic757.com. The mobilemechanic757.com. You can go there and click on buy documents, and you can see them all, and then click on it, and then you can choose which documents you like to buy, or you can choose if you need a consultation. It depends on if you need a long one or a short one. You can also go to the mobilemechanic757.com and click on book appointment, and then choose the time and how long you want to speak to me. I'm here for you guys. I want to teach you a lot. I make very good money what I do. It's not for everybody. It's not for lazy people. It's not for people who think you're just going to make money off the top. I go through how to set up the LLC with you. I can go through the business license, how to get a business phone number, the tools that you need starting off, the medium tools, the diagnosing machines that are good, the advertisements on the vehicle, what kind of vehicle that you're going to need if you're starting off on your business, just starting off, what kind of vehicle that's inexpensive, the shirts, the business cards, the commercial accounts, the name of your business to make it unique, your plan, your business plan, and your goals, etc., etc. I speak about all that stuff, and I have a lot of videos that talk about that. And if you want to talk to me one-on-one, and I can guide you step by step, website, the advertisement, how to talk to customers, how to read body language. I do all that in my one-on-one consultations. I sell the 9 documents. You can go to my website and buy that stuff. And I'm telling you straight up, I made some different choices through my business, through Google review, my website, and how I conduct my business, how I present myself. It made myself go from 3K to 68K, just give an example, in less than 6 months, just by different ways of thinking. And I want to share all this stuff with you. And at the end of the day, I'm here for you, and I want your success, because I do not want you to make beer money. I actually want you to make champagne money. I want you to be treated with respect. You don't have to take any job because you're desperate. You don't have to be talked to any kind of way. And I want to make sure that you know that I'm on your side, and I believe in you. And if you can do it, and I can do it, we all can do it. And I transfer this information to each other, and we all can help each other. Whether you're on the 757 area or you're somewhere completely different, depends on what you're trying to do. All you have to do is make those appointments, buy those documents, and I will do whatever I can to help you. If you like these videos, please like, subscribe, share, and leave some positive comments. Thank you.